In active voice, the sentence is, do children love animals? Now, when you convert this sentence into passive voice, you will look at the word animals. So, animals will be the subject. It is plural. So, with plural, we will use are. The sentence will begin with, are animals loved by children? Interrogative sentences introduced by when, where, why, how. They take helping verb be before the subject. Example, in active voice, the sentence is, when do you write poems? If a sentence begins with when, so with this, when we convert it into passive voice, the sentence will be, when are poems written by you? The helping verb are will be used before the subject. Here the subject will be poems. So before poems we will use helping verb. The sentence, look at the sentence again. Interrogative sentences introduced by when, where, why, how. They take helping verb be before the subject. So before the subject, here we are using are. And then again the third form, write, will be converted to written. Look at another sentence. Why does he abuse me? In passive voice, why am I? Me will be converted to I. Helping verb, with I we will use am. Third form of abuse will be abused. Join the sentence by using by. He will be converted to him. The answer will be, why am I abused by him? Another sentence, how do you recognize him? When you convert into passive voice, how is he? Him is the object here in the active voice, and when you convert into passive, it will be converted to it will be converted into he. So the sentence will be, how is he recognized? Third form will be recognized by you. Now if the interrogative sentence is introduced by who or whom in active voice form, then who is changed into by whom and whom is changed into who. Look at the example. First one, who teaches you English? Then you have to start with by whom. By whom are you taught English? Are is the helping verb because the verb is in present tense, and with you will use are. By whom are you taught English? Third form of teach will be taught, so you will use third form here. Another sentence, whom do you admire? When you convert into passive voice, whom will be converted to who. So the sentence will begin with, who is admired by you? Third form of the admire will be admired. So the answer will be, who is admired by you.